This factory in Arkansas runs 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Any downtime has a serious effect on productivity and profitability, which means keeping all this equipment maintained is a crucial job, especially when it comes to the more than 1,500 motors which drive almost every piece of machinery in here. Now they have a cutting-edge solution. A new smart sensor from ABB will allow information from all these motors to be fed into the cloud, keeping track of how well they're performing and when they need to be serviced.
The sensors will check for general runtime. How long is the motor running? Is it overheating? What's the temperature of the motor? You can walk around with your iPhone or computer and collect the information, take that data over a month's time and start predicting maintenance. Well, in a campus this size, it's a big deal. I mean, it's a time saver. We can predict stuff that's going to happen before our 6-month or annual PM and catch it early.
But this isn't just about performing maintenance. These sensors bring motors forward into the information age, turning them from simple drives into an integrated part of a data-rich smart factory. It's part of a general trend towards what ABB calls the Internet of Things, Services and People, a rapid expansion of data and interconnectivity, which many analysts say is driving a new industrial revolution.
What's new now? It's two things really. It's technology enabling scale. If we look at the Internet of Things, industry analysts like Gartner are telling us that by 2020, 25 billion devices will be connected to the Internet of Things. Other pundits are saying it could be as high as 50 billion. This in turn means a massive increase in the amount of data that needs to be collected from all those devices, fed into the data center for the big data and analytics to take place.
For ABB, this is the coming together of technology from across their entire range of expertise. While smart sensors and advanced robotics find their place on factory floors, here in Silicon Valley, researchers work on the wireless technology and big data analytics software that's making the fourth industrial revolution a reality.
As we look into the future, we see a much more connected world where our technology, our solutions, our devices that are used on the grid or in factories or even in the home are all connected together through the ubiquitous approach of data and connectivity. With that, we believe we can run the world more efficiently, using less energy and more interoperability.
Industry analysts and business leaders are now convinced that technological advances have put us on the brink of a huge step forward that could fundamentally change how we live, work and interact. ABB is determined to make sure that the technology driving these changes brings lower environmental impact, greater efficiency and a more harmonious and fulfilling connected world for all of us, in keeping with their mission statement of power and productivity for a better world.